Hello, today I would like to show you this quite interesting vintage lamp from Ikea. As you can see, it's got this playful design, extremely nice for like a kid's room. From some weird reason, it's being called online a UFO lamp. I have absolutely no idea, because it's clearly supposed to be a balloon that is being held by that string that is our cord. That's how people are calling that. Maybe if it's on that angle and sitting on your desk, then yes, maybe it looks a little bit like an alien, but in normal configuration you mount it on your wall in the vertical way, and it looks like a balloon. So very nice playful design. Since it is a vintage stuff, inside we've got a CFL bulb, real CFL full size. We do not have absolutely any LED light. And here we've got the information about the model number, and it was made in the PRC, max 11 watts, made by Ikea, and we've got some information. Here you can try to read name of designer of this contraption if you would be interested. And we've got a warning not to use a regular bulb, only go with the CFL. And that's because you don't want to overheat it. Definitely it do not have a good venting option, and since it was designed for kids, so definitely you don't want to your kid touching something hot. If we take a look at bottom, we've got that blue element that is sticking out. It's covered in a blue rubber thing, and it is actually our switch, but it's not designed to be pressed by your hand or finger, but your whole lamp can be pushed like this to turn it on and off. So it is a quite interesting design. We've got a pretty long cord, absolutely nice blue. You can imagine that you are in sky, and we've got the European plug. Of course, the absolutely most important part of our channel, and it is making it working from our goal 0. So let's try to turn it on. Let's see, does the CFL like our square wave? And it looks like it does. And as you can see, it presents absolutely beautiful. Just imagine having this on your wall. And this is how it presenting after turning all lights off. We've got a beautiful green color, and it is extremely pleasant. So in my personal opinion, it is a very nice addition to your kids' room. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.